A certain firm produced and sells staplers. Last year it produced 5,000 staplers and sold each staplers for $8. In producing the 5,000 staplers, it incurred variable cost that much and total cost that much. So fixed cost. Well, total cost equals fixed cost plus variable cost. So total cost is that much and the variable cost that much. So fixed cost can be this is total cost equals fixed cost plus variable cost. So variable cost that much. So the answer is that much here. Fixed cost 3,000. So refer to scenario. In producing the 5,000 staplers, the firm's average fixed cost. So average fixed cost is fixed cost divided by quantity of output. So fixed cost is that much and produce 5,000 staplers, so output is 5,000. So the answer is $3 because fixed cost is that much and quantity of output is 5,000. So the answer is $3. So the answer is A.